After watching this video, I can promise you you're gonna want to give this recipe a try. And after trying it for the first time, you're gonna be stuck with it and you will stop using any other conditioner because the results is gonna blow your mind. It is one thing knowing how to grow your hair and the other how to care for it. When chemicals damaged my hair, I had to learn the right way to use natural ingredients to grow my hair, and now my hair is really growing faster, thicker, and is much flourishing. And today I'm going to show you one simple remedy that can help stop hair breakages and help you grow your hair much faster. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you've been following me for some time now, you will know that your girl's voice is changed. Your girl is not feeling so well bad. I still decided to bring you this amazing recipe because I just couldn't wait to share it with you because of its amazing benefits. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos and supporting my channel. And if you're stopping by for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. I can promise you you're going to enjoy this video and you're going to learn a lot. One of my natural ingredients I'm going to use today is potatoes. Potatoes have so many great benefits when it comes to hair growth. The starch in potatoes will strengthen your hair strands, make it flourish, and help prevent hair breakages. Potatoes, when added to your hair care regimen, can also stop hair loss, hair fall, hair shedding, and all these will help you retain some length. Potatoes also contain vitamins as well as iron and zinc. This will nourish your scalp and your hair strands to give way to new healthy hair growth. Before telling you more, you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love on this channel. So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure to leave me a comment in the section below and I will make sure to reply to you. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones as well as on your social media platforms. So I just washed my potatoes, peeled them, then after that I cut them into little chunks. This will speed up the cooking process. We want these potatoes to be really soft, so make sure to add enough water to it. As we wait for it to be cooked, let's move on to our next ingredient. The next natural ingredient we're going to use today is avocados. Avocados are also really great when it comes to hair growth. It contains natural oils and when used in your hair, it is going to help make your hair strands really flourish, really shiny, easy to manage, and also help strengthen your hair strands to prevent them from breaking. When avocados are added to your hair care regimen, it is going to nourish your scalp and your hair strands and help prevent hair shedding, hair fall, or any hair damage. Avocado helps improve scalp conditions and provide healthy environment for healthy hair growth. I added one avocado to this recipe and I'm going to put it in my blender and set it aside. And it's time for me to check on the potatoes. As you can see, all the water is almost gone. The potatoes is really cooked and very soft to touch. So at this point, I'm just going to set off the fire and put it aside and allow it to cool down. There is one more natural ingredient we need to add to this recipe in order to make it work much better. And this is our aloe vera. Aloe vera is very great when it comes to recipes like these. Because of its slip nature, it helps make the application of any hair mask so much easier and helps you detangle your hair with no stress. Aside that, aloe vera contains vitamins that will help nourish your hair strands to prevent them from breaking. And this will help you retain some length. When used regularly, it is going to help you grow much thicker hair and it's going to make your hair much shinier and more beautiful. Aloe vera is so amazing. So if you haven't been incorporating aloe vera in your hair care regimen, you should be starting now. And before using aloe vera, just make sure to soak your aloe vera in water in order to get rid of the latex. There is this yellowish substance in aloe vera and some people are really sensitive to it. It can make your skin itch. So when you leave it in water for a couple of hours, all these yellowish substance is going to drain into the water, then it's going to be safe for you to use. Always make sure you use a spoon to scrape the gel out. Otherwise, if you use a knife, you will end up cutting yourself. After getting the gel out like so, we're going to put it in the blender and add it to the avocados. We are also going to add the cooked potatoes. So in the blender, we have cooked potatoes, avocado, as well as the aloe vera gel. And at this point, I'm going to add some water to it. There is no measurement to this. I realized at the middle of blending that I even needed some more water. So the trick is I added a little bit of water at a time, and when I realized I needed more, I just added a little more to it. Do not add too much water to it, otherwise you're going to have a runny or watery treatment, and you do not want that. So doing it this way is going to help avoid that. And here you are. If you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure to leave me a comment in the section below and I'll make sure to reply to you. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and families as well as on your social media platforms, because you might not know who you'll be helping to solve their hair issues or to help them grow their hair much faster. So regardless of how smooth this recipe comes out of the blender, make sure you strain it with something with tiny holes. It could be a wake up, cheesecloth, anything that is clean. Otherwise, you're going to have some pops or residue in your hair. And I don't want that for you. So make sure you are straining this recipe really well. At this point, I'm going to add my pure glycerin to this recipe. Glycerin can strengthen your hair strands and prevent hair breakages, and this will in turn help you return some length. It can also soothe your scalp from itchiness and also prevent dandruff. Because of its nature, when used on your hair, it stays longer in your hair and condition your hair to prevent it from breaking. I'm also going to add my DIY amla oil. I have the recipe of this oil on this channel and I'm going to leave the link in the description box. This oil is so powerful and is going to maximize the benefit of this hair mask. But feel free to use any oil of your choice. You do not have to use the same oil. Just make sure you add some kind of oil to this recipe. Let me show you the best way to use this. You use it just as you would with any deep conditioner. You first wash your hair, then after that you're going to use this to condition your hair. Make sure you massage it into your hair strands, onto your scalp, to every part of your hair. Cover your hair with a rubber cap for 30 minutes, then after that rinse it out with just water. Just after one use, you're going to see that your hair is so soft, shiny, and you're going to shed less hair. Being consistent with this recipe is going to help you return some length and help you grow thicker hair. Thank you for watching this video, but before leaving, make sure to click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways that you can grow your hair much faster. Bye!